Welcome back to PepoCoin. Channeled having you here with us today makes us very happy. We're going to explore a subject today that will alter your perception of all you know about cryptocurrencies. In the realm of digital currency, we are discussing a revolutionary concept. Forget Bitcoin. XRP is subtly establishing itself as the foundation of the global currency of the future. This goes beyond mere conjecture. This change has good justifications. Governments are using Ripple to power their digital currency for the following reasons. The promise of Ripple's technology is being recognized by countries ranging from Bhutan to Palau and even Colombia. The value of XRP might climb sharply as a result. As additional nations integrate Ripple's network into their banking systems, just think of the opportunities. Stay tuned because what we're going to reveal might hold the secret to the next cryptocurrency phenomenon. This is something you should not miss. Now let's discuss XRP's secret weapon. CBDCs, or central bank digital currencies. The way we view money and transactions may be completely changed by these virtual currencies. You've undoubtedly heard a lot about central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. If you follow the Bitcoin space, government-issued digital equivalents of traditional currencies are playing a bigger role in the global financial system. However, what function does XRP serve in this digital currency landscape? As it turns out, XRP is being positioned strategically as an important asset that serves as a bridge between various CBDCs. It is not surprising that central banks all around the world are choosing to collaborate with Ripple, given their excellent approach to the future of digital currency. Let's examine some of the nations that are now working with Ripple to establish their own CBDCs and how XRP is contributing significantly to their digital revolution. First up is Bhutan, a tiny but powerful nation that has been causing a stir in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. Bhutan and Ripple have teamed together to test a CBDC utilizing Ripple's technology to develop a digital currency that will enhance cross-border transactions while streamlining domestic payments. It is evident that Ripple's solution is a key component of Bhutan's strategy, which is an example of innovation. However, it doesn't end there. Palau is eager to lead this financial revolution as the world of digital currencies changes quickly. With Ripple's assistance, the Pacific island nation of Palau is also investigating the possibilities of CBDCs. The goal of this collaboration is to develop a strong and safe digital currency system by utilizing Ripple's state-of-the-art technology. Ripple's technology is facilitating the smooth and effective integration of Palau's digital currency with the US dollar. Palau guarantees that its people can benefit from both conventional and digital banking systems by doing this. The goal of Palau's CBDC is to promote financial inclusion and give people who live in rural regions more access to banking. For island populations with limited access to traditional financial facilities, this project is especially crucial. Palau is establishing itself as a pioneer in the use of digital currencies by utilizing Ripple's infrastructure. This action not only improves the nation's financial services, but also establishes a standard for other tiny countries wishing to enter the digital currency market. Next is Colombia, one of the biggest economies in Latin America, which has selected Ripple to assist in the development of its digital currency. Colombia wants to modernize its financial system, lower transaction costs, and expedite cross-border payments with other countries by utilizing Ripple's technology. According to the Central Bank of Colombia, Ripple is a crucial instrument for streamlining financial processes and developing a more effective payment system. Let's now address the core of the issue. The part XRP plays in all of this. Ensuring flawless communication between various digital currencies is one of the biggest issues these nations confront when they implement their own CBDCs. Let's talk about XRP. Because of its special position, XRP can act as a bridge asset across different CBDCs. Consider it the go-between that makes it possible to conduct rapid, inexpensive transactions across various digital currencies. When a transaction needs to be settled between two nations with separate CBDCs, XRP can serve as the middleman, allowing for quicker and less expensive cross-border transfers without the use of conventional middlemen like correspondent banks. The speed and scalability of XRP are what make it so successful in this capacity. In addition to handling large volumes of transactions with little fees, XRP can settle transactions in a matter of seconds. As the world transitions to digital currency, this is essential for central banks and other organizations who need to guarantee seamless, effective cross-border payments and liquidity. XRP provides the ideal answer. The Liquidity Hub, a service from Ripple, is a crucial instrument for linking institutional markets and XRP. Financial institutions can more easily access liquidity from a variety of digital assets, including XRP, thanks to this hub. Global payments are becoming even more efficient thanks to Ripple's integration of XRP into the liquidity hub, which gives financial institutions access to a sizable pool of liquidity. However, what does XRP's future hold? What role does it play in the acceptance of CBDCs and global finance as a whole? The growing demand for XRP as a bridge asset as more nations embrace CBDC holds the key to the solution. Additionally, the value of XRP may increase if Ripple keeps growing its network of alliances with central banks. Let's examine the technicals of XRP. Charts show that a significant rising trend is developing, suggesting that XRP may be ready for a breakout. If the uptake of CBDCs picks up speed, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, indicates that XRP is about to enter a bullish trend with significant growth potential. The 50-day moving average is crossing above the 200-day moving average, which is a clear indication of bullish momentum, and XRP is beginning to emerge from its long-term downtrend according to the moving averages. Furthermore, the volume is rising, indicating that more investors are becoming aware of XRP's potential as a bridge asset. XRP's function as a bridge asset may become even more crucial if more central banks embrace CBDCs and Ripple's technology continues to gain acceptance. Significant upward pressure on XRP's price could result from the expanding number of Ripple's collaborations and the possibility of higher demand for the cryptocurrency. What does this signify for the future of XRP then? The value of XRP as a bridge asset will only increase as more and more governments use Ripple to power their CBDCs. This type of revolutionary advancement has the potential to elevate XRP to the status of one of the world's most valuable cryptocurrencies. XRP may be due for a significant price increase if CBDC adoption keeps up its current rate. We appreciate your participation in this fascinating voyage into the future of money. We've looked at the advancements in financial technology, the intriguing realm of virtual currencies, and the possible effects on our daily lives. Being active in this quickly changing field is thrilling right now. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and enable notifications so you don't miss any updates. We can provide you with more interesting material thanks to your support. Tell us in the comments section, is XRP the digital currency of the future, in your opinion? We look forward to engaging conversations with our community and hearing your thoughts. Your opinions would be greatly appreciated. Your input is really helpful to us in determining the subjects that most interest you. Keep yourself updated, remain on top of trends, and we'll see you in the next video. Together we will manage the financial future if we continue to investigate and ask questions. Take care of yourself and continue to ride the tide of financial innovation. Until the next time, Peppercoin family.